How to collect maple syrup.
It's time to get some maple syrup. Next, you're going to want to hammer in this tap. You'll see the sap is starting to flow out. So you'll want to put a container, an empty container, so the sap can flow inside. See, your tap is going to collect all the sap and this will fill up later.
Your scene entertainment. Like, my heart's pounding. I'm like, what's gonna happen next?
Then you'll want to tie a knot, secure it so it doesn't fall. After some time, this is the collection we got. After a while, you're gonna get a full container right here. Start out with this much. This is how much you'll get at the end. Got a pancake here, it's about ready to be flipped. This is not how your pancake should look. Get in there. What the pancake should look like. Here's the amount of syrup. We got some homemade maple syrup for my pancake. It's delicious.